Well, Uncle Jay and I got a little bored just hanging out at camp. So we gotta go hunt something, try. We're here.
Dazzle.
We're here.
Try the old razzle dazzle.
We don't live here, so
We don't have a plan, but somehow with the two of us
deer. Oh, nice.
end up together, the
Something.
plan kind of makes itself.
It has made itself many, many times.
It's created itself.
It's
Nothing
weird
like
because today was supposed to be the nicest day, and it's kind of like foggy and it's a little drizzly.
It's thick. It's thick.
But yeah, we're going to, I don't know, see if we can see something. If we see something, then, well, then I guess it's game on.
Then it depends on where we see it. We evaluate the location of the sighting.
But we're ready. We're suited and ready, because yesterday we saw something and we weren't ready. That does you no good.
We didn't even have a knife.
Yeah, we didn't have a camera, nothing. Nothing.
Oh yeah. It's a bird.
Mm-hmm.
Cool footage over that rise. Yeah, it is nice. The name.
Yesterday, we were driving around and I marked that bird on OnX, and he's standing within like 60 yards of the waypoint. He's strutting with two hens right now, and he's literally in the wide open. They just planted this cornfield. He's in the wide open dirt field. So
what do we do?
So we gotta knock, ask for permission first and foremost. Hope that goes well, and then come up with a plan.
Definitely can get to there.
Yeah.
Depending on if he's, how high he's at.
You're my brother. You are older than me. Do you still feel the pain? Keep going straight.
Here comes the best line. Daniel, you're a star.
We just had a gobbler get his name.
We just named old Tommy Boy.
His name is Daniel.
That is so freaking. Thank you, Lord. I like your little clues.
That is so
You
funny.
give them to everybody, just not enough of us grasp them.
Not enough of us are listening. That is hilarious.
Oh my gosh.
Daniel, my brother, you are older than me. Do you still feel the pain of the scars that won't heal? Your eyes have died, but you see more than I. Daniel, you're a star.
song and having them just strutting in the field. Yeah. That's awesome. I can see Daniel waving goodbye. Why is that so good? Oh, it looks like Daniel. Daniel.
Take a chance on me.
Oh, this is it's a cut through.
Take it?
Sure.
We're looking through to see Daniel's cousin
Raymond.
David.
Well, it couldn't hurt to take it, right? Take a chance on Daniel.
If you can't go,
The music is speaking to us this morning at a very high level. It's very difficult to comprehend. Bunny. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Holy shit. Yeah. Literally birds right here. We're finally
gonna make it.
Take a chance on me.
Well, we just doubled our chances because we got another property that got permission. Where are we at?
Yeah.
Wow. That was a good.
That was a good turn.
Right has not done us wrong yet.
Yeah, this guy lives at that other corner. These planted fields, or the tilled fields.
We got to sign, and we gotta get up and get the pondies.
I know, that's what I was thinking, the same thing. That's got to get done today. Man, those were some nice freaking birds. Holy shit.
Yeah.
That was insane.
That was like.
Hi, Steven. How's it going? My name is David Giarizzo, and my family and I, we've got a place on the other side of Sherman from you, but we were driving around, and we're honestly, my uncle and I are in town for just a week, and we were looking for a couple different spots to turkey hunt and wanted to see if we could maybe get permission to turkey hunt for the week on your farm.
Appreciate you calling, and but no, I've got adequate hunters for turkey and deer both.
Okay. Is there any way, I mean, even we could do a little lease or something just for the end of the week? I don't know if they're still turkey hunting for the season or if they're done for the year. And I mean, if we could throw you a couple bones just to hunt for the week. We've got, like I said, we've got a little land on the other side of Sherman. We're having some tough time finding birds and just looking for, just looking for a little opportunity here and there if we can find it.
Yeah. No, I've turkey hunted over the years, and springtime is a little bit more difficult than fall, I think, for turkey. But I'm still going to have to go with no, because my one friend is going to be hunting. Interesting, good chatting, and I'm going to go down and see what them beef cows got going for the day.
All right, well, you have a good day.
You too, thank you.
See ya.
Yeah, bye.
Well, it wasn't bad though.
No, I mean, honestly, that was a good seed planted.
Yeah.
Better than leaving a note.
Yeah, he wanted to.
He wanted to.
He wanted to.
if he didn't have people coming in.
Right.
Damn bastards.
He doesn't know that he has birds.
That are frolicking currently as we speak. You're just right there. It's the ultimate ball tickle. The ultimate tickle. You can look, but you cannot touch. You son of a bitch.
Better off going back that way if we're gonna head towards camp. Or
Yeah, cause go back that way actually. Middle of May here, and we are turning dirt. Pretty, definitely probably the earliest. Whoa. Definitely the earliest we've ever done it. A lot of farmers already have their stuff in. It's been relatively dry this spring, at least dry enough to get the fields workable. And while Dave, Uncle Jay, Dad and Chris are all up at camp, we're going to try to get as much food plotting done, at least a lot of the turning done if we can. Big steps of work to cross off the list so that it makes, even if it's just me that has to plant, it makes my job a little bit easier. But you got to just get work done when the weather allows it. So Dave and I started turning last night, and we're continuing to do so now. We're gonna try to get all of our spring stuff planted. Anything where corn or beans or wherever, clover in the spring, anywhere where that stuff's gonna go, we're gonna try to get that turned if we can today, because it's gonna rain tomorrow. So some of this stuff will have to be hit again in a few days to really flatten it out. But if you hit it with a disc or quick rototill first, even while you still have a little bit of sod there, if everything's not dead from spraying it, you still get everything that fluffs up, and it dries out a little bit better when you hit it once with a disc. So that's what we're trying to do now. Even if we do get a rain tomorrow, it should dry out pretty quickly in a couple days. The few days after that look pretty dry, so we're working dirt, people. All right, fam, here we go. So, interesting day today. Interesting morning in the turkey woods. We actually didn't even get into the woods, but we were chasing birds around. Uncle Jay and I were chasing birds around this morning, and it was finally good to feel like you were in the game. Seeing a couple birds strutting, we were knocking on doors, we were making phone calls, writing notes. And you know what? Unfortunately, swing and a miss, we came up empty, but we had fun doing it. We laughed our asses off. And now we're gonna put in some work. It is just high noon. No more turkey hunting for the day. Mahindra it is. This is the Ponderosa, and we gotta get it tilled up and grilled up and ready to plant. So I'm gonna start on this end, I believe. I'm gonna get this done back and forth, and then I'm gonna make my way up to the top. Dean says the corn really needs to be worked. I want to get some of this churned up in preparation for the next couple days of turkey hunting, because all the birds that we saw today were in freshly turned fields. What does that tell you? It tells you that we got to get to the fields. So, tilled the front field yesterday. That's great. Tilling this one today. Another solid strut zone. And there has been a couple birds in here. In fact, the only birds that have been in the property lately have been here. So I'm gonna have some fun. Get on the tractor and have some freaking, well, everything's turned and burned. Well, actually, I take that back. Santa's field has to get turned again, and I got to go in here with this tractor in a little bit and turn that sucker, because there's a couple of wet spots that need to be turned. But we got the Ponderosa turned. That looks good. Dean and I were both up there going back and forth with the disc and with the tiller. We got the front field yesterday turned. The front corn up by Grandpa's redneck and the front gilly turned. We got the backyard turned, and now Dino is trying to burn a little bit of it. We got hella limbs cut and lanes and access created. We've gotten a lot done. We are ahead of schedule, and that never happens on Food Plot Chronicles. It never happens. But the good Lord has blessed us with weather to do it. And that's good stuff. I need a beverage. I need to take these pants off. Nope. You know what, Jeff? Yeah, I think so.
Fierce? I did my 6 push-ups for the day.
Dude, you look jacked.
I'm getting there.
Oh, man, looking better with age, cuz.
How's 51 look on old Uncle Jay? Gotta have a little warmth down here, you know.
Little
It's a bit chilly.
pansy. I'll tell you what, we're ahead of schedule.
Fucking A.
That's
Oh,
never.
Don't say fucking A, say
Frickin' A.
frick yeah.
We're ahead of schedule. And the camp manager has to be happy. He's burning shit. That means he's thrilled.
Which means he's not on the tractor.
Yeah. Oh, good stuff. Good stuff out of that. All right, you guys. Well, we're going on a 3-man mission. We spotted some birds behind the pond in the plot. And we're gonna bring the decoy, the master caller, a cameraman, and a gun.
Get it all going on here.
And we're gonna see if we can roast one of these bad boys. It's unconventional turkey hunting around here, but that's just how we roll. That is just how we roll. Either you could tuck right in here, or right there too. We came back here and got set up. Chris is over my left shoulder. My dad is right over there. We actually have a great setup. We got the decoy out in front, right behind the pond. But we snuck back here. There was still a hen in the tall grass in the field. She was just making her way into the woods on the other side. But we've called to these birds a couple times. No answer. and no sign of him again. Our setup is pretty perfect for 3 of us being in here. All they need to do is see that strutting decoy, and I think it'll be game over, but I don't know where they went. We've got a little over an hour, Friday the 17th. Do a little power walk. Take the monopod and the gun for a walk. See if we can't stumble us upon a bird. Little Cody hair, little Oakley hair on the old screen. Yeah, it's been a quiet week in the bird woods. We've seen some birds driving around the neighboring properties, so they're here. The rain, the weather has been perfect. The forecast, whatever it's been, has been perfect because it has not rained a drop since we got here. Maybe a little the first day, but it has been great working weather. We've accomplished a lot. Got a lot of stand prep, blinds moved, plots tilled, turned over, and it's just very serene to be up here, even if we're doing nothing. So we're gonna take a walk, get a little fresh air, see if we can't roust something up, and you're gonna be there to witness.